cookie ice cream sandwiches. I am using slice and bake store-bought cookie dough as a little bit of a shortcut. So I needed a chocolate ganache for the ice cream cookies. Now this is homemade and all it is just chocolate chips, and I poured really hot cream over the chocolate chips. So I need to let that sit for a minute, and I'm going to get the ice cream, which is one of the essential ingredients. So this is a really fun trick. You just take a serrated knife and very carefully cut through the entire package. And then you have these neat little portions already measured out. You need to be really careful. Make sure your knife is sharp and make sure you don't make any like sudden erratic movements. All right, and then I'm gonna show you how this comes together. All right, so that's one package of ice cream anyway. You stay there. I'm gonna stir the ganache together, and the ganache adds so much rich chocolatey flavor to the sandwiches. All right, now check this out. Look at that, how quickly that came together.
Wow.
Whether you're putting it over ice cream or doing what I am about to do, it's absolutely perfect. So one of the cookie doughs is peanut butter. So you put it down, and then I'll take one of the ice cream segments and I'm just gonna put it right on, and I'll use a little spatula to kind of push it through. This ice cream got just a little bit soft, but if you start with ice cream that's super hard, it makes it easier. Pop. All right, and then the second cookie is just a good old chocolate chip. So get it on there and then kind of push. So this is gonna get a little messy, but basically, you know what I'm about to do, right?
Do it.
I can just imagine.
There we go. I'm gonna dunk half of the cookie into the ganache.
Oh my God.
Don't act like you're excited about this, Mauricio, hater of sweets.
This looks really good.
And then sprinkle the sprinkles on. Come in, look, closer. Sprinkles go on.
Oh my gosh.
And then, you wanna film this too?
Oh yeah.
Going on to parchment.
That is crazy.
How does that look? All right, I'm gonna make even more of a mess and get the rest of these built. It'll take me, I don't know how long it'll take me. Okay, true confession. I sort of got off measurement with my slicing of ice cream, and I wound up with extra cookies because I filled a couple of these a little too full, but it's better to be too full, right? I'm gonna put these in the freezer, and guess what I have? I have a properly measured batch, but look at these.
Wow.
Aren't they wonderful?
So cute.
Darling, and you need to chill them for at least a couple of hours until they're really firm. And then you can wrap them in little plastic bags or foil or however you like to store them. Such a treat for summer. Make them tomorrow. Make them today.